Most important daily use sentences in a daily basis routine. So I wake up at 7 a.m. I turn off my alarm. I get out of my bed. Then I took brush and I brush my teeth. I clean my teeth. After that, I take my breakfast. I take my breakfast. After having breakfast, I lock my door and rush to the office because I have to go on the time. Then I listen to my music on my phone that I enjoy a lot. After that, I turn on my computer, I check my email, then come back home, do laundry, make lunch, then take nap, and then do some homework. And during the rest of the work, let's end of the day.